I'm Madeline, and I will be looking at the branches of the brachial plexus. If you look here at the M, you'll see that the ulnar nerve, musculocutaneous nerve, the axillary nerve, radial nerve, median nerve. Also note that the axillary artery is present, which is a large blood vessel that conveys oxygenated blood to the lateral aspect of the thorax, the axilla, and the upper limb. Next, we're looking at the axillary nerve, and the axillary nerve stems from the spinal root C5 and C6. It innervates the teres minor and deltoid muscles, and cutinously innervates the lower deltoid, known as the regimental badge area. Next, we're looking at the ulnar nerve, and the ulnar nerve stems from spinal root C8 to T1. It innervates two muscles of the anterior forearm, the flexor carpial nerves and the medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. Also, all intrinsic muscles of the hand, apart from the nares muscles and the two lateral lumbricals. It also supplies cutaneous innervation of the medial 1.5 fingers and the associated palm area. Next, we're looking at the musculocutaneous nerve. And the musculocutaneous nerve stems from C5 and C7, and it innervates three muscles of the anterior compartment of the arm, the coracobrachialis, biceps brachii, and brachialis. As well, it supplies cutaneous innervation of the lateral forearm. It branches from the lateral cord muscles and the cutaneous meaning skin. Next, we're looking at the radial nerve, and the radial nerve stems from C5 to T1, innervates the triceps brachii and the extensor muscles in the forearm, and it supplies cutaneous innervation of most of the skin of the posterior forearm, the lateral aspect of the dorsum of the hand, and the dorsal surface of the lateral 3.5 digits. Next, we're looking at the median nerve, and the median nerve stems from C6 to T1, but it also contains fibers from C5 in some individuals. It innervates the flexor and pronator muscles found in the anterior compartment of the forearm, except the flexor carpi ulnaris and part of the flexor digitorum profundus, which is instead innervated by the ulnar nerve. It also supplies innervation to the thenar muscles and lateral two lumbricals in the hand. It gives rise to the palmar cutaneous branch, which is what innervates the lateral aspect of the palm, and the digital cutaneous branch, which then innervates the lateral 3.5 fingers of the anterior surface of the hand.